Okay, what's up, everybody? So, I hope y'all all having a good day. I hope y'all being safe, be blessed. So, I just want to do a quick little review, and because I had to get on this real quick because I am a huge SpongeBob fan. I love Mariah Carey, I love my Jordan sneakers, and I love Michael Myers. So, let's get into this review real quick. So, King Ice, right there, collabed with SpongeBob, and I went on a quick frenzy and I was like, okay, let's see what's up. So I went on the site, purchased one, looked at all the other ones. Of course, the pictures, for some apparent reason, the chain looked smaller than what it actually really looks like. So I was like, okay, let's purchase one of these. So I got one of the $60 ones at the SpongeBobShop.com. King Ice collab. You could probably find it under jewelry. It's under jewelry. So here we go. So this is the packaging. Really cute. Black simple box with gold trim on it. King Ice SpongeBob Squarepants. So I'm gonna open it and show you the inside and what came inside. It has a little magnetic stick thing. But first of all, it was pretty heavy when I received the package, so I was like, okay, this must not be a little chain, because I thought it was a small little chain with a small medallion. So we finna open her up now. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at that. It's a huge chain. I was stunned by it. So this is the rest of the packaging. Right there you get SquarePants. You have this nice little octagon, or whatever you call these little things with SpongeBob in them. Here are their care instructions, because of course it's, I guess, fashion jewelry. It's not something you sleep with, bathe with, get in a jacuzzi with, so on and so forth. So we finna pull her out. So it's, according to the site, it's 14 karat gold with over brass or something like that, and then the little stones in them are VVS simulate or something like that. So here we go. We're finna pull her out. And this is what came inside. It's very lengthy, very heavy. Of course, you get the, sorry, I'm using a phone. The little King Ice thing, designed in LA, right there. Then it has this cute little jellyfish thing right here. It says Viacom 2019, Nickelodeon. The chain, I think, is 11 or 14 inches, something like that, I don't remember. But in the picture it looked small, so I was like, okay, let's try one of these. Mine was $60, and I purchased it, and I was like, okay, I'll wait to see what's inside of it. So it's not a little chain, it's very big, very thick, it's long. And now we're finna show you this pendant. When the light hits it, it's beautiful. So you remove the little plastic. It comes with that little plastic, and this is what the medallion looks like. It very shiny under light. And then this is the back of it. Of course, you see the SpongeBob 2019 Viacom. It has little stones in between the two pendants, or whatever you want to call this kind of thing. I don't know. But yes, this is what came inside. There goes the little tag again, the little jellyfish. And then the chain is very long, and it has some weight on it, people. I was in shock. I was expecting a little thin chain, but that's what came in it. So there you have it. If anybody like it, want to check it out, any SpongeBob fans out there, SpongeBobShop.com. Mine was $60. They have different other ones ranging from 60 to, I think the highest was 400 or 450. So, if anybody like King Ice and likes his jewelry, I'm obsessed. I want to get more. This is what it is, and I was actually very surprised. It's not a little chain. It's not light at all. It's heavy. It got stones in it. The medallion's real heavy. This is the box. That's what it came in. And that's what you get for $60. Can't go wrong. So, quick little short review. If anybody enjoyed it, you can subscribe, you can like. I'll be posting more stuff in, time. And, wish everybody is safe out there and be careful and have a good day. Be blessed. Bye. Love y'all.